You take the dimensions here, the final dimensions?
Yeah.
LED, you have a fabric already, right?
Yes.
Between the two lights, right? And the back, about the timelines. Okay.
I have a big storage in Boca.
Okay. Okay. Michael's panel on the TV. Yeah, he just tell me about the closet. Yeah. Just where you see, oh, here is it done completely. And here is the master tool.
Here, how he's gonna finish, because this one is gonna be junior.
Yeah, it's gonna be another material,
Correct.
another finish.
Same thing on this side.
Yeah, we have electrician.
Because he's
Ideal, I don't know. To me, it looks like it might have.
They had it on. It's beautiful. The lighting.
Where is this one gonna
It's gonna
end?
end right there on the corner.
In this corner.
All right.
Oh my God.
It is, right? It's the effect. We have an effect for the lightings, okay? We explained to Glenn that in the meeting.
No, Glenn doesn't have that there.
Eu não tenho essa parede de painel. Para aqui em cima da porta e para aqui, ó. This Friday.
This Friday.
Ground, everything.
Not ground.
No,
The installation.
The installation.
The ground is gonna be Saturday.
When he needs to plan to start.
Clean,
Clean it up.
clean the floors and
clean
the
the
ground
floor.
and everything done.
Oh, this is for the bar.
That's another problem. I don't have that detail on the plan.
Jesus.
So
Jesus. Tá, dá uma olhada, Dave. Volta comigo.
You know, like this wall here.
Hi, Sula. She's here. Let me show you. This is Elaine. This is Sula. Hi, how are you? 3 weeks we deliver for Junior starts. And Junior's gonna have 2 months to finish.
Whatever it is.
Okay. Bye. Okay. Let's go here. I think we're done. I'm gonna select the last fabric that I need.